shadows have offended, think but this, and all is mended, that you have but slumbered here, while these visions did appear in the sweet and idle theme, no more yielding but a dream. Gentles, do not reprehend. If you pardon, we will mend. And as I am on this cup, if we have unearned luck, now to escape the serpent's tongue, we will make amends ere long, else the puck a liar call. So good night unto you all. Give me your hands if we be friends, and Robin shall restore amends. I'll do a little solo now.